How to create a GitHub account on your phone. Want to create a GitHub account right from your phone? Let's do it in just a few minutes. First of all, open your preferred browser, Google Chrome if you are on Android, Safari if you are on iPhone, or any browser you prefer. Tap on the search bar, search for github.com. Now go to github.com and tap on sign up button. Now let's enter your details, username, email address, password. Tap continue. Next, GitHub may ask you solve a CAPTCHA to confirm you are not a bot. Just follow the instruction and tap create account. GitHub will send a verification email. Open your email app, find the message and tap on the verification link. GitHub offers free, pro and team plan. If you are just getting started, the free plan is perfect. Select it and tap continue. That's it. You have successfully created a GitHub account on your phone. Now you can create a repository, collaborate with others and explore open source projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.